Hi, if you want to create unlimited UI design like this for free, I'm going to show the complete steps. So please subscribe and share to your friends if you find this video useful. So for creating the UI designs, we are going to use Google Stitch. It is a free platform. We can create UI designs for mobile and web applications. So it is a beta version. We can try it for free. So there are two options in Stitch: standard mode and experimental mode. In standard mode, we can create UI design and export to Figma. In experimental mode, we can use images for our UI design. So mostly we are going to use standard mode. Then only we can export our designs to Figma. So after that, you have to type your UI design prompt. So I'm going to try the prompts like create a responsive landing page for food delivery app. You can create UI design for both mobile and web application. So after typing your prompt, you just need to generate the design. So it will create UI designs for your app. So you just need to wait for that. So our UI design is successfully generated. It is very beautiful and amazing. So if you want to change any functionality or any appearances, you just need to type your command. So I'm going to change light theme to dark theme. For that, I'm going to type, I want this landing page with dark color. So after typing your changes, you just need to generate. So it successfully created dark theme for my app. Also, you can change the color from this. If you want light or dark, you can change. Or you can change the colors, corner radius, or font. If you want to change any fonts, you can change. So in our design, all fonts are successfully changed. So after that, if you want to export this UI design to your Figma, you just need to select your design. So after selecting your design, it will show two options, code and Figma. In code, you can see the HTML and CSS code for this design. You can just copy the code and then you can paste in VS Code or any other. So if you select Figma, it will copy the images or it will copy the UI design. So there are two options, code and Figma. You can select any one of them based on your own choice. So if you want to add any buttons, you can type your prompt. So I'm going to add user login button. So you can see the login button is successfully added. Again, if you want to create login page, you can just type your prompt. So our login page is successfully created. So based on your prompt, it will create UI design. If your prompt is good, your UI design will be good. So now I'm going to copy paste this design in my Figma. For that, you have to download Figma and then you have to open the Figma app. So after this, you just need to create a new design. And then you have to copy your design and then you have to paste your design in the Figma. So we have successfully copy paste our design. We can also copy our previous UI designs. So that's it. So this is how we can create unlimited UI designs for free using Google Stitch. So if you find this video useful, please subscribe and share to your friends.